Time to go. Wait, no. I need a thing. Shit. Aha. There we go. It's so quiet in here. Every little sound echoes. Clear. So how did the vlog, boys? Really?
Is this really a vlog?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, the vlog? Oh, God.
Anytime you probably like only live half a day. You got night time, you live the whole last day. Are you okay?
Yeah. I got you.
Are you still recording?
I am.
Are you really?
I am. Trying to make this a consecutive kind of thing. I want it to be more than just once in a while.
Yeah.
I want it to be like every day. Or like every week. Eat my ass.
They're carrying a whole fucking camel with you.
What'd you say?
All day long. Hey, it's gonna be real cool when you start like cutting this stuff out and just show stupid shit that we do.
Yeah, exactly.
It better be funny.
Housekeeping! Would you like to make a donation to our Christian society? No? Okay.
What's up?
Say hello. Say hello.
No. Oh, we're going to.
Damn.
For some reason you like a
Why?
What's
Oh, you guys drive on Canada.
This is legacy.
Perfect. You drive on Canada.
Hello, Nick.
Nice camera.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Say hi.
Are you vlogging?
I am.
A big like. Oh God. Gang gang.
Oh, shit.
After our dirt circle.
Oh yeah, baby.
You mean circle dirt?
Oh.
Who's gonna spot me?
No.
Oh my gosh. Look at these guys.
Hey, a wise
Some
man
kind of-
once told me,
Some kind of thing. What? What did he tell you?
make a man a fire, he's warm for a night.
Okay.
Set a man on fire, he's warm for the rest of his life.
So?
You want to be warm? Just tell somebody to set you on fire.
Oh, okay. Well, wouldn't your skin be
You'll be
scarred?
warm for the rest of your life. You will never be cold again
Words of wisdom. Right here.
until you can feel.
Oh my gosh. Elias, say hello to the vlog.
Hi.
Hi. Connor?
Hi.
How's the pump? Okay.
I don't like it, no, I love it. I don't like it, no, I love it. So what it hurts. All out, turn the beat up. Hey now.
Hey, Bert.
Hi.
How do you feel?
I feel like I'm going to explode.
Good.
Yeah.
Ow.
Just that I'm like, ain't no problem, all my roads are right. Alright, I don't like it, I love it. I got another coming in my budget. I got an anaconda in my trophy. Don't push it, cause I'ma hit it till I jackpot. That's right, wax on, baby, wax off. Act right, we can put it on the black card. All night and I'll spend it, cause I don't like it. I love it, uh-oh. So good it hurts, I don't want it. I gotta have it, uh-oh. When I can't find the words, I just...
What are they doing?
Hey. Just got out of the gym, man. Oh my god.
Huh?
Feels good. We in the Nissan 4000Z. Boys, what are we doing right now?
Yeah, I clean mine tomorrow.
What are we doing?
No.
Damn. These people want to know.
What people? You only had 2 viewers, your mom and your sister.
Damn! Damn! No, we about to eat.
How you gonna get out gas go to gas? What you mean? I hate that gas.
I heard a really nice car.
People put gas.
Oh, baby! Hold on.
Worth it, damn.
Money on it.
Oh.
Guarantee it's $6.
Who?
I
Oh.
went with them
I was gonna get like the real door.
I went with them to go. Oh, and so his door ain't real.
His door ain't real. That's the exit door. Oh, what if they say I can't film in here?
Yeah, I know.
Oh no.
I guess.
What's the point?
I get food, man.
You want coffee? Weird.
You know what? A smoothie sounds really good.
Doesn't it? I was just thinking that, man. Like back at home, I got this place called Tropical Smoothie. They had the best smoothies. I'm talking like grade A smoothie.
I'm really digging like a kiwi.
See, I'm more of like a coconut, pineapple kind of thing.
Hey,
I don't
you
know.
know what? I might have to go with the bird special.
The hot dog or the hamburger?
What is the hot dog?
I gotta put this down so I can eat. Okay, so on Instagram last night, I sent out a picture and I asked, well, let me see. Oh shit, no, my phone's dead. Give me a second. So I sent this picture out and I was like, you can see it. I asked if I should remove the Plasti Dip. He was like, it would probably look good without it. And I was like, yeah, you're probably right. Because I've been thinking, I've wanted to take it off because I've looked at pictures of, golly. Anyway, I looked at pictures of like how the car used to be and how it used to look. And I kind of like how it used to look with the little two red like fangs. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go back to that for now. That's what I'm going to do real quick. And then after I do that, I'll give you guys a cold start. And then I think that'll be it because I've done a lot today in the last few hours. So, yeah. Yep. Let's get it. Oh, Poppy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Looks like it used to. This car looks like sun. Alright, well, I think that's going to do it. I'm going to try to get this video edited and put out as soon as possible. Hoping to have it edited tonight, and I'll upload it tonight for tomorrow. Today's Friday, so it'll probably go up on Saturday. I'm going to be going to South Carolina tomorrow. I think I'm going to vlog that. Tomorrow and Sunday. I'll come back on Sunday, but I'll still be there. But I think I'll vlog that a little bit if I can. If there's anything interesting going on, I will. And yeah, have a good one.
I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that.